Hey guys, so I just got a package in the mail from Grove Collaborative. I thought I would show you what I ordered. So the really cool thing about Grove, it's a subscription service, but you don't have to actually subscribe and have things sent to you every month. You can choose when you want things to be shipped, which is what I do. I don't have things auto ship. I just kind of go in every month or every couple of months or whatever when I need stuff and I place an order. But I'm a VIP member. I think you pay like $24 a year or something, and for that price you get free shipping on all your orders throughout the year, and then they also just occasionally randomly send you coupons for free stuff. And so one of the free gifts that they had for me was this little set. So it came with this little loofah, and it also came with the body wash, which I have not tried. It is the Method. Oh, my husband's home. Hi, husband.
Hello.
So it is the Method Body Coconut Rice Milk Shea Butter Body Wash. So I got that free, which is awesome. Definitely will be interested in trying that out. And then I also just picked up a couple other things that we needed for the house. So I got the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. This is my favorite from Method. Their degreaser is awesome. So that was a repeat, and these other two items are new items I haven't tried before. So this is the Mrs. Meyer's Room Freshener Spray. It's in the honeysuckle scent, which is my favorite scent from Mrs. Meyer's that I've tried so far. So that'll be nice. And then the other thing is this, which I was intrigued by. It is a cast iron brush. So we have quite a few cast iron pots and pans, and I thought this might help wash them. So pretty excited to try this. It's from the Full Circle brand. Ultra tough wide head brush, safely cleans cast iron cookware. It's got a built-in scraper, so that's definitely seems neat. And I think that was everything. Yeah, so that was my Grove Collaborative order. I'll leave my link down below. If you guys sign up and make a purchase through my link, you get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's set. That's for new customers. If you're already a Grove customer, I think if you click my link, you get some free walnut scrubbers or something like that. So definitely check that out if you're interested. I'm excited to try this new stuff. So Austin's making dinner tonight, but before we make dinner, he had to make dessert. So he's making banana pudding for the very first time. He's doing a great job, doing everything on his own. I'm just kind of instructing. Okay, go ahead and put your bananas in there. Just kind of plop them right on top. So he's making banana pudding. We're going to make some meatballs and some homemade mashed potatoes. So he's got a lot of work ahead of him. It's a lot of mushrooms.
And you know, Austin, for cooking, you want to know what your best friend's going to be for learning how?
What did you say? Oh, I
want to learn how to chop onions julienne? Look it up on YouTube and they'll show you.
What?
It's a specific slice.
Just be careful doing it though.
It's definitely a lot faster though.
It's great. Just be careful.
Just gonna. There you go.
Good job.
I feel like this one's not gonna. Oh yeah, perfect.
One.
Hey, fast butt.
Pop it open just a little bit. Crack. I don't think I got any shells in it.
Come. How's that feel?
Cold.
Would you guys look at this beautiful meal that Austin made? He did an amazing job. So he did the mashed potatoes, he chopped everything, boiled it, mashed it all on his own. He did all of the meatballs all by himself. He did the corn, everything. He had a little bit of help from me just telling him what needed to be done, and Eric helped him a bit with the gravy, but for the most part, this guy cooked the whole meal, and I'm so proud of him. Good job, kid.
Thanks.
You did a great job at the corn.
Can't wait to try it. So you guys didn't get to see the finished product of the banana pudding earlier. We're about to have some. Oh, I don't know. There we go. Look at how good it looks. He did such a good job making it look all pretty. And you can see the layers there. I'm pretty impressed with this child. I'm very impressed with you. And his meatballs, by the way, were delicious. Honest to God, better than my meatballs, which honestly kind of makes me mad. Like, my 10-year-old totally outdid me. But I'm very proud of him. Like I've said before, it's very important that my kids know how to take care of themselves and their future families. Cooking is a big part of that. They learn how to change a tire, fix a car, cook, do laundry, all of that. But the cooking, I think, is the one that's kind of the most important to me. So I'm very, very proud of this guy. Let's go eat his pudding.